Welcome to the vibrant city of Tocantins in Palmas, Brazil. Immerse yourself in a culture that's as rich as its coffee. 1. The local dance carimbo will set your feet on fire. 2. The festival of Boi Bumba, a theatrical folk tradition that's a riot of colors. And 3. The farinhada, a community gathering to produce cassava flour. Now, ready for some oddities? First, Tocantins is home to the crying tree. Yes, a tree that sheds water drops. Second, the local Firefly Festival celebrates the glowing bugs. And third, the floating post office, delivering mail via the river, with a population of just over 1.5 million Tocantins, is a world in itself. Before you go, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Mr.Gurgel for more exciting snippets from around the globe. Until next time, keep exploring.